in flashback tigers. There's like there's a family. Do you watch family? Are you allowed to? You shut it, baby. Yeah, might not be allowed because that game is rated. That game is for 18-year-olds. Oh yeah, the show. It's like so. Actually, likes Family Guy. The reason why I can watch it is because growing up, because it's all of my friends. Picture I do because my friends really want to miss. Oh, send. I'm a kid.